In this video, we're going to take a look at drawing shapes. So I'm going to draw a square first of side 100. So I'm going to go forward 100, right turn 90. You can actually write more than one instruction. Forward 100, right turn 90, forward 100, right turn 90. And there we have a square. Now, when you want to draw shapes that are a bit more complex than that, you need to know formula. So if you want to figure out how many degrees are on the internal angles of a polygon, so any many-sided shape, what you have to do is you have to take the number of sides, subtract 2 from it, and multiply by 180, and that tells you how many degrees are in the full shape. So when you then want to figure out how many degrees are in each angle, you obviously then have to divide by how many sides there are. So an example of this is if we had a square, you're going to take 4 sides, subtract 2 from it, and multiply by 180. So that is 2 multiplied by 180, which gives us 360. Now, each angle, therefore, is 90 degrees. So it's 360 divided by 4 sides, and we get 90. So in our square, each of these angles is 90 degrees. So when we're traveling along, we've then got to take a left turn. If the internal angle is 90, the external angle is also 90. So we're going to turn. Now, obviously, if we get a more complex shape, so for example, a 5-sided shape, 5 minus 2 is 3. 180 times 3 is 540. 540 divided by the 5 sides is 108. So each of these angles is 108 degrees. Obviously, when you're traveling outside, you need to figure out externally how many degrees there are. So let's just take a look at this. First of all, we knew how many sides there are. So this shape has 5 sides. We know, because we've just calculated it, each angle is 108. So in here, each angle is 108. Now, if the turtle is facing this way, obviously what we need to do is we need to turn to the right 90 degrees. So the turtle is facing right, and then it can draw the straight line. Now, when it's moving along here, we need it to turn this external angle. So you're going to take 180 degrees minus the 108, which would be 72 degrees. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to clear this screen. So as I said, turn the turtle right turn 90. Let's go FD 100. And we want to left turn, as I said, 108 degrees. Forward 100. Sorry, it was not 108, it was 72. Sorry, I apologize. So right turn 90, forward 100, left turn 72 degrees. Forward 100, left turn 72 degrees. Forward 100, left turn. Oh, again, I've made a mistake here. I apologize. Let's clear screen there. I'm going to just be a bit cheeky. I'm going to copy these lines. So we're going to do that once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And that makes our shape. Now, if we wanted to do that for 6-sided shapes, we'll just try one more time. So that would be 6 minus 2, which equals to 4. 4 multiplied by the 180 degrees that we said earlier, which equals 720. So all of the angles add up to 720. 720 divided by 6 sides that were in the beginning. And each of those is going to be 120. So we know that the internal angle is 120. Now, if we want to know the external angle, it's going to be 180, which is a full line, minus the 120, which means that we've got 60 left over. So if we want to draw a 6-sided shape, let's clear that screen. We're going to go right turn 90, again, to face it going that way, 100, forward 100, left turn 60, forward 100, left turn 60, forward 100, left turn 60. And there we have our 6-sided shape. And if you want to, you can go